24 people went for the job. 23 people were accepted. I was the only one guy.
You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it.
Well, I think we have to get used to it. We're not that good.
You must fail 100 times to succeed once.
You have to fail in order to climb that ladder.
If you don't fail, you're not even trying.
Fail, pick yourself up, and fail again. Because without this struggle, what is your success anyway?
Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big.
If you try hard and it doesn't work out, that's okay. Like you can learn from that.
There's no such thing as failure, really, because failure is just that thing trying to move you in another direction.
No one succeeds the first time.
It's inevitable. Embrace it.
Because the losses are there to wake you up.